Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to discuss how to calculate the template for earthwork volume or top of embankment levels. Okay, that is volume, earthwork volume calculation or top of embankment levels. First, now what are the basics of DOE calculations? So the DOE of this typical, it is this line, the bottom of the subgrade. There is another two side, there is two slope lines, which is right side slope and left side slope. First, they calculate the road levels. Road solver, the first to calculate the road levels. Second one to calculate the side slope levels. Finally, they arrange the order to the point from left to right. This is the method which is calculated from the road solver program. This facility which is available for the side slope, there is three facilities. One, it is you can calculate both side, or you can calculate only right side, or you can calculate only left side. So you can choose this option in the calculation time. So the slope, it will be calculated based on your selection. Now the template assignment. After you create the template, you have to assign these templates to the template assignment panel. So there is more than one template which is related to the calculations. So you can use which station to station that template will be used for the calculation. You can assign it here. This will be saved, so anytime you can refer this calculation method and station reference, which is changing the typical elements. Now variables in road solver. The first one, it is now to see the calculation panel from the road solver. This is a panel which is calculation for the templates. So first one, you have to select the typical type, which is earthwork volume or the pavement volume something. There is only two type only calculated from the template here. So it will be appear only to earthwork volume and pavement volume. The second one, to select the slope case. So with this both side, or there is a right side or left side. Finally that station reference which is required for the calculation, it will be appear in the program itself. This beginning and the end station will be appear. This will be coming from the ground stations. So earthwork calculations, it is based on the ground station only. So the ground station selection will be default in the program. Now before to calculate the earthwork levels, so you have to confirm this data which is available in the software or not. So first one is a ground input, second one PGL data, third one is super elevation data. If you are using in your template is super elevation, so that will be required. If not, no need. Then variable data. This also same like if you are using in a template, if it is required, so you can use it, otherwise it will be not required. Finally, template creation, it will be required. Then template assignment should be assigned in the template assignment panel. So now we will check how it will be work in the software. Okay, now here, now road solver, now we will check our pavement levels, which is top of embankment. It is not. There is already top of embankment. Now this area, it is empty, there is no data. So first one, you have to check the vertical alignment. There is a PGL for the second panel. If you have already the PVA data, you have to press the calculate PVA from the PGL from PVA. If it is not, you have only PGL, you have to import this PGL from outside. Okay. Then second one, the super elevation. So we have already super elevation left and right. Then after that, the ground levels. Ground levels is from beginning 675 to 8 plus 600. So then next we have the template which we check is template 1. So this is already appear. So there is a variables which we are using. So already we check this super elevation. Now we check the variables, variable 1 and variable 2. Okay. Now finally check the assignment panel. So the earthwork already assignment, already only one template. Okay. Now we go to the template calculation. I select the earthwork. I choose the both side. Then select this beginning and end. Then press calculate. Calculation is running. So you can wait until it is completed. Now the side slope will be calculating. Now the calculation will be completed. Now you can check it, the levels which is appear in the payment table. So here select the top of embankment. So this is first one, then next one, this is the last one. Okay, so this is a method which we are calculated the top of embankment in road solver program. Thank you.